Hey, I'm Tim Reeve with Reeve Knives. Here at TYKMA Lasers. We have a really good laser from them in the shop. We run all day, every day, into the night quite often. Kind of showing off some of the stuff that we do with it. We do quite a lot of laser engraving, like graphics, nice deep engravings. Fiber lasers are great for that. So we'll do a lot of name engravings, custom logos for people. I even put an address on the guy so he can find his knife if he ever lost it. So it's great to do services like that. All of our military knives have a nice deep engraving here. The CR Harsey and the Idaho-made Magna Cut on the back, as well as our backpackers and Yonis get those as well. So this kind of shows you another finish. It's nice because we can deep engrave and then tumble it and it cleans up really nicely. Or the same thing with the Cerakote, deep engrave, sandblast, Cerakote. It all looks super crisp, super clean. You can find us at chrisreeve.com and go buy a TYKMA. They're great lasers, made in America.